Hi everyone, this is Relax Unknown and in my last video my friend asked me how to change color of an eye in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, go to the adjustment layer icon right here and choose hue and saturation. And click on the hand icon and go to an area where do you want to change the color. And increase the hue all the way to the 180 and saturation as well. Adjust the range. By the way, if you want to learn more about hue and saturation, I will make a complete video on that. Just leave a comment down below. Adjust it until the whole of it is selected and smoothen the transition so we get rid of this artifacts. Now that's okay, and decrease the hue down to 0 and saturation as well. And now we are going to change the color. So adjust the slider with according to your like. For me, I'm going to change this . This is fine. This looks fantastic. Select the mask and press Ctrl or Command I to invert the mask. Take a brush. Take a soft round brush. White as a foreground color. And paint over the eye. Now I'm going to show you complete before and after. Here is the before, here is the after. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.